Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, pretty sideways price action, which actually makes me even more confident that this move from here over is a correction, more than likely a correction to the last 5 waves down. Now, I do admit still that this looks like a possible 3 waves down, and a possible 3 waves up, and a possible 5 waves down. Kind of looks like a running flat, and if it is a running flat, it could go up and make brand new highs. And keep in mind that the daily time frame and up is definitely still in an uptrend. So if it goes up and makes new highs, then it's just the market moving in the direction that it's already moving in, and the trend is our friend. So it would make sense if it did go up. Now, because of correlated pairs and the dollar index, I do think that more than likely we are going to actually get a move down. I potentially think that this is actually the end of a wave 5 on the daily, and we are probably now in a wave 2. So we have at the end of a wave 1 of wave 5 or wave 5 of wave 1, and more than likely we are in like an ABC correction of wave 2. So I think this is potentially an A, a B, and I still think this thing is going to potentially go down quite a bit to make a wave C of wave 2. Now the question is whether it's going to pop up and take out the high of wave 4 before it goes down or not, because most corrections do take out the structure of the wave 4 before they actually start down. So just keep aware of that, and just keep in mind that the higher time frame is definitely still in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.